watching SBCTA Today, bringing you the latest San Bernardino County transportation updates to keep you moving. I'm Sarah, and we're gearing up to celebrate a major milestone for the I-10 Express Lanes project, the opening of the Sultana Avenue Bridge. The Sultana Avenue Bridge is the first of 18 bridges within the 10-mile corridor that was demolished and rebuilt to allow for the new express lanes that will be added under the bridge in each direction. Let's learn more. It's been quite a year of continued progress for the I-10 Express Lanes project. Let's take a look back on how the Sultana Avenue Bridge was demolished and rebuilt. First, the bridge was closed to all motorist, pedestrian, and bicycle traffic so crews could prepare the bridge for pre-demolition activities. Pre-demolition activities included identifying utilities for relocation, such as water, gas, power, or cable, that were potentially in the way of the work that needed to be complete. Next, to prevent the ground or earth from giving way during demolition, a shoring system was installed, using temporary walls with steel plates to prevent erosion. Dump trucks were then used to place dirt and other materials on the freeway, forming a protective pad to prevent damaging the pavement from falling debris. While excavators worked on both the top and bottom of the bridge, removing chunks of concrete and rebar from the bridge foundation and columns were taken down. Once the demolition debris was hauled away, equipment was then used to excavate, move, and grade the earth to prepare for the new bridge and wider freeway. Falsework, made up of wood beams, was then installed to allow crews to work on the new columns and abutments that support the construction of the new bridge. Girders, which are beams made of concrete or steel, were then installed on top of the new abutments and vents in order to support the new surface of the bridge. Crews then poured concrete, constructed sidewalks and outside barriers, and completed the bridge approaches to connect the roadway to the new bridge. Final steps included grinding and smoothing the roadway and painting lane stripes to welcome back motorists, pedestrians, and cyclists. Once open, the new Sultana Avenue Bridge will include one lane in each direction, with pedestrian walkways on both sides, reconnecting Upland and Ontario once again via Sultana Avenue. 18 bridges within the 10-mile corridor are either being replaced or widened to accommodate the new express lanes on the freeway. Work is currently underway on 12 of those 18 bridges, including Euclid Avenue, Monte Vista Avenue, and 4th Street, just to name a few. This summer, 6th Street and Campus Avenue over I-10 will close to all motorists, pedestrians, and cyclists to allow crews to prepare for demolition. Both bridges will be rebuilt in one stage, like Sultana Avenue was, and will be closed to all through traffic during construction. We want to be sure you plan ahead before navigating through construction, both on the freeway and on your local streets. There are several ways to learn about the project and its construction activities. Follow Go SBCTA on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter for behind-the-scenes construction photos and footage. And visit us online at gosbcta.com/I-10 corridor to sign up for weekly construction alerts and to access the project's Google Map for real-time construction closures, detours, and updates. We plan, we build, you move.